Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to apply AliExpress coupon. Firstly, open AliExpress application on your device and then find whatever product that you want to order. Tap on it to open the details of the product. And then you want to proceed to checkout page. Also, it is known as order confirmation page. So at the bottom you see here buy now button, press it and then tap continue button, and here this is checkout page. Scroll down until you see section promo codes. This is coupon, this is exact same things. So tap here, and here you can enter and apply your promo code, and do not forget to press apply button. So that's basically how you can apply AliExpress coupon. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.